Hi everybody, I just wanted to thank you all again for logging on this morning. I was so happy to see everyone's smiling faces. I wanted to make this quick video just to kind of go over the Google Classroom a little bit better, and then you'll have this video as a resource to go back if you're ever a little confused about something or have some questions. So it is my assumption that you have to be logged into a Google account, and I think you would need to be logged into your child's Google account. So if you need help with that, I can provide you the username and password. Once you have done that, you'll click on this, which people refer to as the waffle, and you go down to Classroom and you would click on that, and then it would show My Classroom. So I'm just gonna do this. So I have a lot of different classrooms. Okay, so then I would find Miss Ratner's class. I would click on that. And I just wanted to go over again. There is a link right here where it says Meet Link. So from now on, going forward, when we have a whole group meet or a small group meet, you're just going to go into the Google Classroom and click on this link. And that will take you to our live meeting. Okay, up here it shows you that it's the stream. So right now we are looking at the stream. Okay, over on the left it shows you some upcoming assignments that will be due. It has a reminder. I put a reminder about orientation today. And then there is a form that I'm asking you to fill out about your child. In that form, it will also allow you to choose whether you want an AM session or PM session for your small group time. Okay, so on the stream, I'll always have reminders and announcements. And then if you go back to the top and you click on classwork, it will show you the different topics that I've broken down. So whole group tells you that it will start at 9:15 every day. I put that it'll end at 9:30, but it could go longer if the kids are cooperating and they're enjoying their time. So I just listed some things that we'll be doing each day together, and the kids might want to practice it on their own time. So I put it in our Google Classroom. We have a flag salute, a good morning song, a calendar, and the virtual greeting, which I'm going to click on that and show you. I would just put that in there. It says, how do you want to be virtually greeted? So these are just things that, are fun that your kid might want to practice at home, and then we can do those when we have our Google Meets each day. Okay, so I also wanted to point out the different icons. So this icon here that is next to the flag salute and next to the good morning song and next to the calendar, that is called the clipboard. So if you see a clipboard, that just means it's material, okay? It'll be material that we'll be using during those times. If you look here, next to virtual greetings, that icon looks a little bit different. So that tells you that it's an assignment, okay? So I'll have assignments posted every week, and they're just some things that if you can't make it onto a Google Meet, or if you have some free time and your child wants something to do, you can go on and do these assignments. Okay, so we have the small group session. I'll have some stuff posted there: literacy, math, read aloud, and mind and body. Okay, so those are all under class work, and that's the basic gist of our Google Classroom. Okay, if you guys ever have any questions, please reach out to me. Okay, I do not mind at all. I know I stressed that earlier, but I just wanted to give you this little bit of information. I hope it helps, okay? I apologize. My child is crying in the background, but all right. I hope you guys all have a good day. Bye.